the preposition between times that separates 2 points. For example, the museum is between the library and the bank, between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. From, provenance, origin. I'm from Paris. A present from Mons. 2. Used to express a view next to a place. For example, we go to the party. She goes to Mexico. At. Location places. For example, he's at London now. Which you said to the exactly specific times. For example, she was there at 5 o'clock. Difference between at and on. At refers the position at a particular point. In involves the position and size on thing. And on somewhat above.